We need to write these decimals as fractions. First, we have 0.7. Now the first digit after the decimal point is always the tenths digit. So what we can do is draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 10. So 0.7 is 7/10. Now we have 0.07. So we have two digits after the decimal point, and the second digit after the decimal point is always the hundredths digit. So what we can do is draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 100. So that's 7/100ths as a fraction. Now we have 0.007. There are three digits after the decimal point, and the third digit after the decimal point is always the thousandths digit. So we can draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 1,000. So 0.007 is the same as 7/1000ths. Notice when there was one digit after the decimal point, our denominator was 10, so 10. Two digits, our denominator was 100, so 2 zeros. And three digits, our denominator was 1,000, so 3 zeros. Now we have 0.45. There are two digits after the decimal point, so we can draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 100. 0.45 is the same as 45/100ths. That's because the 4 in our tenths is equivalent to 40/100ths, and putting that together with the 5/100ths gives us 45/100ths. Now 0.045. So there are three digits after the decimal point. We can draw a line across from the decimal point and write a denominator of 1,000, so 3 zeros. That means, as a fraction, we have 45/1000ths. That's because the 4 in our hundredths is equivalent to 40/1000ths, and then putting that together with the 5/1000ths gives us 45/1000ths. Finally, 0.456. Three digits after the decimal point mean that we can draw a line across and write a denominator of 1,000. So that's 456/1000ths. Notice 4/10ths is equivalent to 400,000ths, 5/100ths is equivalent to 50,000ths, and then putting those together with the 6,000ths gives us 456,000ths altogether. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.